Hello everyone, this is John from John's Trading Shack over at eBay. I just wanted to show you this Norman Deluxe ladies pocket watch. It's really cool. Look how the sides of it go around. You can see how it glistens like that. It's Swiss made. There's a little handkerchief on the back. On the back it's like a door knocker. See, watch. See, door knocker on the back. Really nice. And give you a measurement of it. It's about what it measures. And this will be item 0579. So, just want to show you it's in working order. Have a good day.